Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS S3 to Glide file uploads step by step clearly. To connect AWS S3 to Glide for file uploads, begin by creating an AWS account if you don't already have one. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your new bucket. Select the region closest to your users. Leave the other settings as default for now, and click Create Bucket. Once your bucket is created, go to the Permissions tab. Click on Bucket Policy. Add a policy to allow public access for uploads. Your policy should generally look like this: version, October 17, 2012, statement, effect, allow, principal, asterisk, action, S3 a put object, resource, AWS S3 your bucket name /*. Replace your bucket name with the actual name of your S3 bucket. Click Save to apply the policy. Next, go to the CORS Configurations section. Set up a CORS policy to allow Glide uploads. Your CORS policy should look something like this: XML version equals 1.0, encoding equals UTF-8, CORS configuration CORS rule allowed origin * allowed origin allowed method put / allowed method post / allowed method allowed header * allowed header / CORS rule / CORS configuration. Click Save Changes. Create a new user by clicking on Users and then Add User. Enter a username and select Programmatic Access. Click Next, Permissions. Attach the policy Amazon's 3 full access for full access. Click Next, Tags to skip tagging, and then click Next, Review. Finally, click Create User. Make sure to note down the access key ID and secret access key provided. Now, open Glide and create a new project or access your existing one. Go to the Glide Data section and click on Settings. Enter your AWS access key ID and secret access key. Specify the S3 bucket name you created earlier. Set the base URL of your S3 bucket for file uploads. Your URL should follow this structure: https://your-bucket-name.s3.amazonaws.com. Make sure to save the settings. Now, you can test file uploads from your Glide app. Make a sample file upload. Check your S3 bucket to confirm the file is there. Your AWS S3 is now successfully connected to Glide for file uploads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.